Hi, welcome to Suhaila's Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. Today we will be making a grilled chicken kebab salad, which is going to be very delicious and very easy to make. I'll marinate the chicken first, and then I'll cook it on the griddle on the stove top, so there's no need to cook it on the grill outside. And the salad is very simple to make as well, and along with the salad I'm going to make a very simple dressing which will be very delicious with this salad and chicken kebab. So I hope you join me. I'll be back in a minute to show you how to make this delicious grilled chicken kebab salad from start to finish. Thank you for joining me today. back. Here's our grilled chicken kebab salad. It looks fantastic. It looks gorgeous. The smell of the chicken kebab is all over my kitchen. I can't wait to have some. You can mix all the salad, all the vegetables together, but I like it like this. It's very pretty, so I'm going to keep it this way, but you can mix it and toss it after you put your dressing. This is gorgeous, so I'm going to try a little bit of each. Wow, the chicken is very tender, juicy, and this is the best chicken kebab I have ever made. Honestly, it is out of this world. And the combination of the mangoes and avocados and cucumber, tomatoes make this so delicious with that vinaigrette that I made, or that dressing that I made, which is very simple for this kind of salad. Please make this and see it for yourself. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you all. Goodbye.